Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be shaving my head bald, as you might have seen on the display picture. I've had enough of this short red cut and it's time to switch it up and do something new. I'm actually missing my braids, my twists and my faux locks. So it's time to regrow my natural hair. I brought this clipper or trimmer from Amazon. It's absolutely crap, so it's not worth me leaving the details down below. And I'm also going to be attempting the Latte makeup, which has been out numerous of years now. It's simply brown and gold makeup, but obviously every now and again a new trend comes up, so I thought, why not, let me jump on this trend because it actually looks fun. And it's been a minute since I've done a makeup video, so I wanted to get that out there. So just sit back, relax. If you want to know what a specific product is, then leave a comment down below. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. just wanna call, see if we're okay.